Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to migrate to Google Analytics 4. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to analytics.google.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now, when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile, but if you have struggles with that, you can go and check out how you can do it on our YouTube channel. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, we have, as you can see, the home screen, reports, explore, advertising, and the admin panel. And here in the top right corner, we have some other options. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and migrate to Google Analytics 4. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time, guys. So first of all, you need to go and create a Google Analytics 4 property in your Analytics account. From the account column, go to property and create your new property. So basically go to property and you can then go and create a new one. So basically you can do that by clicking on here and creating your new property. Sorry, not here, just a second. So you can do it by clicking here. Then guys, you have to go and add a data stream, set up data collection for website and activate Google Signals. Then link to Google Ads and map UA custom events to GA4, so to Google Analytics 4. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Bye guys.